Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's vlog, I'm going to be taking you guys along with me to the gym. Today I'm actually going to be going to the gym and kind of showing you guys, if you're a beginner, what to do in the gym. I'm going to be working out with a personal trainer, so this way you guys can kind of see it from a personal trainer's perspective, because obviously I'm not a professional. I don't know anything about fitness, and when I go into the gym, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So I felt like this video would be perfect because I'm gonna learn something and you guys are gonna learn something. Why aren't you ready? Why are you shy? Are you actually that shy? Or stretching.
Hey guys, my name is Doodly, Deja's friend. We're gonna be working out today. We're gonna do a quick shoulders and leg workout. We're gonna get you guys some footage, some good footage. Now I have a YouTube channel coming soon, and we're gonna kill this. No. No. Yeah.
Looks like I have another channel.
No.
How do your legs feel?
I'm a flat belly.
You do?
I injured my knee.
And you're still able to, oh my goodness. You did what, 180?
I could do 6 weights.
You're crazy. My legs are already hurting and I only did 90.
It's not that heavy. You could do this.
No, I
I
can't.
promise you.
I'll try it.
See, look at that. And you're doubting yourself. You're not even struggling.
You guys see that? We're gonna tackle that next. Ryan Little.
Come on, go up. Go up. No. 10. 6, 8, or 10. The range is 6 to 10. Okay, don't choose the lowest number. Let's go. Yes, you can. She lying.
I know, my arms are just like, they're not working today. Lighting's better on this side.
The other side was kind of dark.
It's dark, yeah. Then what?
Your camera's way better than mine.
I'm so sore. Ah.